Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today, this is my first time I have shown my face in front of you guys in this video, so I'm quite nervous, but it is what it is. So, if you are looking for a video where you want to apply for the Bali visa by yourself, you don't want to pay any agent for expensive fees, you want to do by yourself from the home, then this video is for you. So, I recently went to the Bali for a 1 week visa, and this is my visa copy, and I just went for a 1 week. It was quite fun. So here in this video, you'll see the step-by-step process how to apply for the Bali visa with the Nepalese passport. So let's go to the computer and see. So here I'm in the Google. So once you go to the Google, type for a Bali Indonesia visa, then go to the official website where you can apply for a e-visa. Then you have to read some information over here. Then you have to create an account as well. I have already done from my one, and this time I'm doing for my friend. So here you have to go as a foreigner, then go through some information over there on the down, then type for the document, upload the passport photo and fill some information, then hit on submit. So your account is created. Now you can log in using the credentials. But your account hasn't been activated, so you have to go to the Gmail and activate the account just like this. Just click on activate and the account will get activated. So you can open now. Then once you open the account, you can apply the visa from here. You can even track the application from here. So click on apply and then go to the country Nepal, select the one general one, go for the tourism and C1, then click on apply. There are certain information about the visa cost, how much money you have to show in the statement, and how long the visa is valid for. So once you read that, click on apply, then upload the passport photo, go through the photo requirements on the right side. So once you go through all the information, just click on next. Then here you have to do a payment as well. Select the payment option as a credit card, then fill some information like the name, gender, and everything. So the visa will normally cost around 100 AUD dollar, and here you have to put your hotel address as well. So make sure you buy or book the hotel before you apply for the visa, and upload your bank statement, which is roughly around $3,000. So click on next. Then here you have to click on check and click on I understand everything. Now the visa has been submitted, but the payment hasn't been done. So it's time for the payment now. So just do the payment with the credit card. And once you have payment done, then finally it is completed. And go to the home page. So to see the application, go to the My Application, then Batch Application. Here you will see all the information. Then you have to wait for the visa to be granted. So once I applied the visa, it took 5 business days to grant the visa. So to check it, go to the application, batch application. Then here you will see the visa granted. On the status, it says approved, and you can click on the e-visa. Then your visa will be loaded. So you have just seen the step-by-step process for applying the e-visa for the Bali. So if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you for sure. If you have found the video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. So till then, I'll see you in another video. Bye. Take care.